My name is April Borschelt and I'm a professional fantasy art illustrator. After I successfully made a few of my own enamel pins, including this one, and a few of the other pins I'll share throughout this course, I started getting asked the question, how do you make enamel pins? And so I thought, why don't I go ahead and just share all that information with you? In this class, I will be making another pin from scratch, beginning to end, and you'll be watching me go through that entire process. In this class, we'll be going over topics like choosing your pin type, manufacturing options and tips, getting into the design of your pin, vectorizing it and getting it ready for shipping, finding your budget before you order, and then designing fun packaging for display. To create your own pin, you'll need something equivalent to Photoshop or Illustrator to vectorize your image. It may seem daunting at first, but I'll be breaking down the steps for you to be fully equipped to make your own enamel pin. So I can't wait to see what you create in this class, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!